You're looking for speed and quality and power like a McLaren? When you do your rivet piece, get the right tool and you got it made. So this is what we're going to be working on today. We'll just pop out a couple of teeth here, and you have to get this spring-loaded pin underneath the bottom of the carbide there, and you got the locating pin in the hole here. Just close it up, bring this down, tighten up this hook. Now you know your tool is on there. You can drive out the rivet. Then you back off the driver so the pin is out of the hole. Simple as that. Then you back this off. Your rivets out. Because the gullets are different radiuses and different depths in here from saw to saw, service bulletin, instead of relying on this that sometimes bends, drill holes, or a hole where you know it will be at the gullet here, so you can use it for leverage when you line it up and pull it out. So now we have the screw adjusted for the height needed to pull out this tube. Doing as such. Right, so now the tooth in, you banged it in. Here's the rivet. Choose the head on this side. Put the pin in, the locating pin, and the spring pin under the tooth. Close up the other side of the tool. And swing the hook up. Then bring the compression screw against the head of the rivet. And on the other side, start to screw in the compression screw. Loosen up this one. Here we go.